Welcome to Review Lab. The best garden safe is probably one of the most essential tools for any gardener looking to protect their precious plants from unwanted pests and diseases without resorting to harsh chemicals, ensuring a thriving, vibrant garden that's safe for pets, children, and the environment, making it a top contender for maintaining a beautiful outdoor space with peace of mind. Number 5. Garden Safe Take Root Rooting Hormone. Want to expand your garden or propagate your favorite plants? This product makes it incredibly easy to grow new plants from cuttings, giving you more of what you love. It actively promotes strong root development, ensuring your cuttings establish quickly and healthily. This powerful hormone is the secret to successful plant propagation. Whether you're a home gardener, a professional, or just starting out, it's designed to work with a wide range of popular plants. You can use it for almost any variety in your home, garden, or greenhouse. Imagine multiplying your beloved African violets, roses, or even woody ornamentals. It helps a vast array of plants, from delicate flowers to robust shrubs, thrive from simple cuttings. Using it is straightforward. Just moisten your cutting, dip the end into the powder, tap off any excess, and then plant it. It's that easy to give your new plants the best start. Its effectiveness comes from indole, 3-butyric acid, an active ingredient similar to the natural hormones plants produce. This ensures a natural and effective boost for root development. What we like. This product is your secret weapon for plant propagation. It helps new plants grow from cuttings, making it easy to expand your garden or share your favorite varieties. If you love propagating plants and want to ensure successful rooting, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Number 4. Garden Safe brand Slug and Snail Bait Granules. This powerful bait is designed to eliminate slugs and snails. They begin to die within 3 to 6 days after ingesting it. You can use it on your lawn or on the soil around any outdoor ornamentals, vegetable gardens, fruits, berries, citrus, and crop plants. It's perfect wherever slug or snail control is needed. This bait contains a combination of iron phosphate, which is a plant nutrient that occurs in soils. It's specially formulated with slug and snail bait additives. Iron is an essential mineral for plants and animals. However, large amounts are toxic to slugs and snails when ingested, making it a safer choice for your environment. This product is listed by the Organic Materials Review Institute. It's an excellent option for those practicing organic gardening. What we like. This solution effectively eliminates slugs and snails, protecting your precious plants. It's formulated with iron phosphate, making it safe to use around pets and wildlife when used as directed. If you're an organic gardener looking for a reliable and pet-friendly pest control method, this product is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Spruce Snap and Spray Weed and Grass Killer Kit. This worry-free solution is safe to use around your family and pets when directed. One bottle can treat up to 400 weeds, thanks to its blend of water, essential oils, and surfactant. See visible results in just 1 hour. It works by breaking down plant cells, causing weeds to die from dehydration. This powerful spray eliminates all types of broadleaf and grassy weeds, including dandelions and crabgrass. This formula is perfect for various areas like mulch beds, driveways, and walkways. You can also use it for spot treating weeds in your landscape, raised beds, and gardens. For best results, apply it at the first sign of weed growth. Using it is incredibly simple. Just slide the switch to unlocked, hold the paddle, and spray the entire plant until it's thoroughly wet, holding the nozzle 12 inches away. Afterwards, slide the switch back to locked. This convenient kit includes a reusable wand and a 64-ounce bottle of our no mix, no pour, no mess herbicide. Remember to stock up on refills to keep your garden pristine. What we like. This powerful spray delivers visible results in just 1 hour, quickly tackling unwanted weeds and grass. Its worry-free formula is safe to use around people and pets when directed, offering peace of mind. If you need a fast-acting, convenient, and pet-friendly solution for spot-treating weeds on driveways or garden paths, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 2. Garden Safe Houseplant and Garden Insect Killer 24 ounces. This powerful solution eliminates insects at every life stage, including their eggs. It ensures comprehensive protection for your plants, leaving no pest behind. Watch as it takes down bugs on contact, providing immediate relief for your infested plants. Its fast-acting formula means quick results when you need them most. You can confidently use this product on your fruits, vegetables, and herbs right up to the day of harvest. It protects your edibles without compromising their safety. It targets a vast array of common garden pests, from aphids and beetles to mites and whiteflies. This versatile killer handles almost any insect problem you encounter. Crafted with a botanical insecticide derived from the chrysanthemum flower, it offers an effective solution. This natural ingredient provides powerful pest control. Whether your plants are inside your home or thriving in your garden, this product is ready for action. It offers flexible protection wherever your plants grow. What we like. This ready-to-use spray kills all stages of insects on contact, from eggs to adults. Made with a botanical insecticide, it's safe for use on edibles right up to the day of harvest. If you're looking for an effective, natural-based solution to protect your houseplants and garden edibles from a wide range of pests, this is an excellent option. What people say. No reviews available to extract points from as the source JSON is empty. No reviews available to extract points from as the source JSON is empty. Number 1. Organic plant food liquid fertilizer. Are your plants showing signs of stress, like yellowing leaves or weak growth? This weekly feed fortifies their natural defenses, promoting vigorous rooting and deeper green foliage. It's perfect for use after repotting, before flowering, or during challenging conditions. Its advanced biofermentation process unlocks fast-acting phytonutrients from a resilient botanical, delivering visible results quickly. This formula nurtures living soil with gentle, potent nutrition, free from harsh salts. Plus, it has a light rosemary aroma. This efficient liquid concentrate easily integrates into any routine. Simply dilute it as directed for use in watering cans, spray bottles, or hose end sprayers. It's ideal for a wide variety of plants, from houseplants to garden beds and lawns. Certified for organic gardening, it's safe for bees, kids, and pets when used as directed. This clean formula supports healthy soil life and pollinator-friendly yards. It's a smart choice for all your indoor and outdoor greenery. Grow with purpose, knowing its circular process repurposes invasive biomass into premium nutrition. This transforms a problem into thriving gardens. It's loved by both beginners and master gardeners, making it a great gift for any plant enthusiast. What we like. This liquid fertilizer provides fast-acting nutrients for vigorous growth, lush foliage, and abundant blooms. Certified for organic gardening, it's safe for bees, kids, and pets when used as directed, supporting a healthy ecosystem. If you want to fortify your plant's natural defenses and achieve high-yield harvests with an eco-friendly approach, this concentrate is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, it is not possible to select helpful points for buying decisions based on actual reviews. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.